नमस्कार। टुडे इज 5 सितंबर 2025। सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी को प्रणाम करता हूं। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। भगवान विष्णु को प्रणाम करता हूं। हैप्पी ओनम टू ऑल द सीफेयरर्स एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ईद मुबारक। I am here today for a purpose. I had been to Seafarer Welfare Fund Society office and there is a great presentation made by them during a symposium. So there are 8 benefits which are there for seafarers. I was not aware and I think I must bring it to your notice. तो भैया सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि if you are a seafarer, you are old man now और आपका बच्चा जाके प्रीसी ट्रेनिंग कर रहा है तो भारत सरकार 50,000 रुपए का आपको स्कॉलरशिप देती है थ्रू SWFS। सर ये यहां पर लेकर आइए। ये देखिए वेरी क्लोज, लेट मी पुट इट लाइक दिस। ये देखिए फैमिली बेनिफिट वेलफेयर स्कीम, 50,000 रुपीज फॉर कंप्लीशन ऑफ प्रीसी ट्रेनिंग and 25,000 rupees on completion of graduation full time. And another good thing is, look here sir, award to meritorious children, for who are belonging to the seafarers category, cash award of 25,000 rupees. If you are a topper, paid to the children who top, and so there are, a lot of good things. And now, if there is a death on board, then straight away, 2 lakh rupees is the money which is given as compensation. And if the seafarer dies ashore, then to the next of kin, if it is registered, very important, please register it with your last RPSL because the documents will come from them, whether Indian company or foreign company. 4 lakh rupees is paid. तो मैं चाहता हूं कि भैया ये सब स्कीम्स हैं, ये पेपर मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप करता हूं और ये यहां पर लिखा हुआ है सर, ओल्ड एज बेनिफिट स्कीम, 50,000 rupees, 65 years of age. Once you retire, you can get it provided you have 6 months sea service, 55 years of age, and similarly here death on board, which I already told you, and there are some conditions to it. And then, Siemens gratuity scheme is also there. And if I look here, survivors benefit scheme. Wow, this is what Seafarer Welfare Fund Society is doing. So to reach out to them, and if you got a disability, permanent disability, 6 lakh rupees, please note this has got nothing to do with PNI club. And then of course maternity benefit scheme for the female seafarers. So एक बात है भैया, if you really want to take the benefit of Seafarer Welfare Fund Society, DG Shipping के अधिकारी भी बैठते हैं उसमें, इंडस्ट्री के लोग भी बैठते हैं, यूनियंस भी बैठती हैं, write directly to them. And I'll give you their email address which is there in the forms. I will show you the forms, and still any doubt, WhatsApp me 9930467030. The helping hands are always there. And here is the email ID, swfs1966@gmail.com. Phone number is 8097552900. The other one is 8097553700. सर एक बार इनको फॉर्म भी दिखा देते हैं कि भैया अगर फॉर्म भरना है, ये देखो ये फॉर्म है, ठीक है। ये सर एक बार ध्यान से दिखा दो, ये यहां पर सब लिखा हुआ है। So all seafarers brothers, have a nice day. And any seafarer who needs this kind of help, you can always reach out to SWFS directly. Still need any help? I'm there for you. Jai Hind, Jai Navik.